Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of international finance, specifically a platform called Airwallex. If you're a business owner who deals globally, you've probably heard the name. But with all the options out there, a crucial question pops up. Is there a minimum deposit to use Airwallex? That might seem like a simple question, but trust me, it's a common one. Especially when you start exploring international payment services, hidden fees and minimums can sneak up on you. So, let's crack this open and see what the deal is with Airwallex. What is Airwallex? Before we dig into the minimum deposit, let's take a quick step back. Airwallex is a financial platform designed for businesses that operate internationally. It offers a whole suite of tools to streamline your global transactions. We're talking multi-currency accounts, fast and secure international payments, sleek virtual cards for your team, and even expense management features. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all your international financial needs. Manage invoices, send and receive payments, hold funds in various currencies, all from a single platform. Sounds pretty neat, right? The good news, no minimum deposit. Alright, now for the answer you've all been waiting for. Here's the good news, there is no minimum deposit required to open an Airwallex account. That's right, you can sign up for free and start exploring the platform without any upfront commitment. This makes Airwallex a great option for businesses of all sizes, especially those just starting their international journey. You can test the waters, get comfortable with the interface, and see if it fits your needs before diving in headfirst. But wait, there's more, fees and limits. While there's no minimum deposit to open the account, it's important to remember that Airwallex isn't completely free to use. There are fees associated with various services offered, like international transfers, currency conversions, and virtual cards. These fees can vary depending on the specific transaction and the currencies involved. Airwallex has a transparent pricing page, pricing and fees on Airwallex that breaks down all the costs, so you can make informed decisions before using each feature. Beyond deposits, limits to consider. Another thing to keep in mind is that while there's no minimum deposit, there might be limits on how much you can transfer or convert at once. These limits are usually in place for security reasons and can vary depending on your account type and transaction history. If you're planning on making large international payments, it's wise to contact Airwallex support to discuss increasing your limits beforehand. They can assess your business needs and adjust them accordingly. Exploring the Airwallex account. So, you've decided to give Airwallex a try. Signing up is a breeze. The online application takes about 15 minutes, and approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once you're in, you'll have access to a user-friendly platform to manage your finances. Here are some cool features you can explore. Multi-currency accounts. Hold funds in various currencies to avoid hefty conversion fees when making international payments. Fast and secure transfers. Send and receive money internationally with competitive exchange rates. Virtual cards. Issue virtual cards to your team for secure online payments and expense management. Expense management. Track and categorize business expenses seamlessly, simplifying your accounting process. Is Airwallex right for you? Ultimately, whether Airwallex is the right fit for your business depends on your specific needs and transaction volume. But with its free sign-up, user-friendly platform, and diverse features, it's definitely worth considering. Outro. There you have it. We explored the minimum deposit for Airwallex, spoiler alert, there isn't one, and delved into some other important factors to consider before signing up. Remember, Airwallex might not be completely free, but it offers a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your international finances. As always, do your research and compare different platforms before making a decision. And if you have any questions about Airwallex or international finance in general, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international business adventures.